part of the assignment where we're gonna build a sports shop agent AI assistant with ADK, MCP toolbox, and AlloyDB. So this is the first part where we have the introduction and all that. So introduction, basically what we've done before. So yeah, this is the architecture diagram, and after that we have all of the prerequisites, what we have to like what will we learning and what we need. So let's go to the next step. So this is the next step where we'll be creating a project. So after creating the project, what we do is like we go to our shell and we have to set the project ID. I already did all of that previously, so I mean, yeah, I kind of lost connection to that, so that is not it. But once you do all of this, we also have to enable these following APIs. After that, we have to follow these steps to create the AlloyDB cluster. So this is the AlloyDB cluster. Let me see if I have it. Yeah. So here, if you can see, this is the AlloyDB cluster that I have. This is the sports shopping agent AI app that I have for the. This is for the OAuth part, but let me just show you the AlloyDB part of it. So here, if you see, I have the AlloyDB cluster and also the instance. This is how you create the cluster, the instance, and also this is the actual database that our application will talk to or will connect to. And then after that, we do the Vertex AI integration. So this is what we do. We get the project number and then grant Vertex AI permission to the AlloyDB service agent. And then we go to the instance and then we make a few changes to enable public IPs, and then we give our cloud shells IP over there, that is also there. And then after that we just load the database. uh, so this is what all of the steps that require for that. And then yeah, this is for the source code which we are going to take from GitHub. And then this is where we populate the database. And then after that, this is the authorization service setup, which is what I was showing previously, where we're doing the OAuth part of it. So this is for the OAuth. Uh, yeah, if you see, this is for the that was for the OAuth where we were getting the clients and etc. This is the client ID that we created. So this is what we did over here. These are the steps that we followed. And then this is the project. This is how we do it in the terminal. And then this is where this is what we do. And then we give the front end whatever we have the URL over here, expected, basically we're giving the expected URL, I would say. And then after that, this is the MCP toolbox for databases setup. These are a few commands that we have to do. And then previously whatever OAuth credentials that we got, we have to paste the client ID here and the project here. And then we run the MCP toolbox for databases server. We deploy our toolbox to cloud run. So this is for the deployment of that. And then this is the agent built on ADK. So we're just building an agent and then using that. So deploying an R this agent, and then if you see, this is what I got using the curl command. I can't like show that anymore because it has been a while since I executed the project and recording the video, so I don't have that anymore. But once we give the curl command with whatever is deployed, we get this. After that, we deploy the front end. So this is the front end. We do make some changes in the YAML and in the Google sign-in button where we give the client ID, and also in the home JSX. So deploying that. After that is done, we just run our agent. I can show you this part. So here, if you see, yeah, this is the website what we got, and Yeah, so if you see, this is how it is. I am gonna create a proper video later only for this thing. So yeah, this is how I do it. And then yeah, since we come till here, we can give all of these queries. I will go through that in a while. And then these are the results. So we can do all of these here. um, so basically authorization, vector search, and also geospatial capabilities. And then this is how we test AlloyDB with natural language. So if you go to the thing and then you create the extension and then given a few commands, then you can actually test if if you can actually test directly from here what is the output that was generated by the AlloyDB studio. And then this is a cleanup, and then yeah, we've come to the end. Let me just show you the demo quickly now. So let's start with the demo of the project. So if you see, the first thing I'm doing is giving a prompt hello Finn, and then I asked, like, they replied, and then I just pasted something saying I'm looking for running shoes for an ultra trail, and then we get replies, and then these are a few shoes that the shopping assistant gave us an output. And if you see all of the images, everything is pictured. So I'm just going to copy this name and I'm going to give me more, like, tell me more about this product, and it's going to give me more details and what's the price and everything else, what sizes are there, what colors, and what is the description. And then I'm just pasting things from my thing. Add this to my shopping list, and then add, is there anything else that I can help you with? Show my shopping list. And then this is my shopping list where I have these shoes ready. And then find stores near me. And then these are the few stores that are there nearby. I'm just gonna copy this and give, please, yeah, at this place an order using this. Order number is 99. Good. I can also, like, check the status, like, track it. Yeah, so this is my order. It kind of takes some time to get the status, but yeah, thanks, Finn.